Good morning, morning, back again today on the job to show you what we did yesterday. Well, we got some daylight. So this is yesterday, if you remember. We did all these walls. We did the ceiling. It's drying out and it's very nice. Yeah, I'm very happy with it. So today's job, first thing we're gonna do while the weather is still a bit cold outside, we're gonna cut these spotlights out, put the lights in. We're going to do the sockets as well and temporary test everything. And then after lunch, we'll go on the roof and we're gonna try and fiberglass the roof. So that's it, hopefully, for today. So let's get on with it. We've also got one more wall to skim as well. So we've got the angle bead, so we'll skim that wall as well today. And that'll be it for today. So we've cut our trims. We've got the edge trims on the side, edge trim on the back, edge trim on the sides, and our drip trims down the front. Now it's too cold to do the fiberglass in, so we've stopped. We've just tacked these in place. We've got more nails and stuff to put, but we've just tacked it and cut everything. So when we do come up here, all we've got to do is just finish nailing it down, do all our bandaging, and then we're ready to start fiberglassing it. Well, as I said, it's too cold. It's -1. We're freezing, and it's just too cold to do the mix anyway. So we'll leave that, and we go back downstairs. I'll show you on the outside. So this is what it looks like on the outside. You can see it running down the front. See if I can give you a better shot here. All the way down. You can see the corners, which we'll bandage these edges up all the way down there. Just show you the back as well. It's down the back. Same thing again, we'll bandage the edges. So we're going to go back inside and continue finishing off our electrics.
Why on that? Why? I told them to go, my guys. I didn't call you. My guy went to call you. You got to put my guy back then. Are you yeah, that was it.
I listen, you see when Maria called it? Not Maria, Erica. Dominica. But you don't like it. So our lights are in. We're just gonna test them out, temporary connections. So let's see if they're all working. Let's go. Oh, look at that. We have light. Alright guys, so we're done for the day. We'll just give you a quick update on what we did. A good day again. I'll just show you what we did today. And so that's it. So we've got a little bit of work to do on the floor, which we'll be showing you tomorrow. And then next week, this should be dry by next week, we will start painting in here. So probably undercoating on Monday and probably be painted by Tuesday. Alright, so guys, thanks for watching as usual, and we'll catch up with you soon. Take care.